Michael Stehnach, a junior in the mechanical engineering department at Merrimack College, who's going to explain briefly for us how the new 3D printer and scanner works.
So the MakerBot company is a company that creates the 3D printer that we have. I haven't gotten into the designing of the components yet.
Yep.
However, MakerBot has a website that we get all of our designs from. So you type in what you want. I just typed in a simple gear system. All you gotta do is download the file, click what you want, download it, move to the platform. You can change the color from either red or white. There are different plastics that you can use, however, Merrimack just has red and white. Each piece takes up to 1 minute to make or up to 3 hours to make, even more.
Okay.
We're making little pieces for an Eiffel Tower. The Eiffel Tower has 5 components to it. We made one piece so far, and it took about 2.5 hours to make.
And how many pieces did you say again?
It's 5 pieces.
Okay. Yeah.
Here's a gear system that I made. I would say in total that there's about 15 hours worth of printing on this. There's around over 30 parts to it.
Now, once it goes from that machine in the computer,
You just have to click make, and then it'll make it.
where does it make it? And how does that work at that point?
So the system has to heat up. The plate heats up to 110 degrees Celsius. And then the extruders heat up to 230 degrees Celsius. There are 2 extruders, red and white. If you look at the back, you can see what the plastics look like.
Like a big spool of weed whacker plastic?
Yep. We put down the tape because there is a foil that you can purchase, but the tape does the same thing and it's cheaper to do. We are limited on the sizes that we can make with this printer, but if you go on YouTube, people have been making little handguns. I think there's one that shot up 8 rounds before breaking, which is pretty impressive.
It is. Now this is all plastic, right?
Yep.
Compared to the CNC that does wood and metal that you guys also got this summer.
We're reading about, they're looking into 3D printing food. Not exactly sure how that is going to happen, but...
That'll be interesting.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks very much, Michael.